Hi Capricorn, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Capricorn. For your general energies, career situation, and relationship, we are picking few cards. If you like this reading and if it resonates, Capricorn, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. And I'll be picking one card from the Oracle Guidance deck. So that will be your Oracle guidance for today. This will be the card. So let's start with these cards for your general energies first. So, in your circumstances today, Capricorn, maybe in your work circumstances or in your relationship, you are quite worried about something. It may be some circumstance that has unfolded today. You are regretting this present circumstance and you are simply wishing that everything changes and everything will be different today. Maybe you have worked really hard, you have done your best, and you are someone really determined, and you have a strong willpower. So, whatever choices you make, you try to stand by those choices, though you may see a lot of obstacles, opposition in your situation. You try to face any circumstance with that courage and you try to give your best efforts. But today it may be something to do in your relationship, though you are trying to build a harmonious, balanced relationship. There are certain things that has happened in this love, in this connection. Maybe there were certain things you heard about this person you love. It may be some rumors or gossips about this person you love. That may be the reason you feel this way, or that is the reason for your present circumstance. Maybe this person is away from you or you are in separation. This may be your energy or their energy towards this relationship, Capricorn. So you simply regret what has happened, maybe because of these rumors or because of some circumstance. You both have parted ways or you have left this person. So there is some kind of loneliness, sadness you are seeing today, but you are not aware of the blessings you have in your life today. Maybe you are still brooding over the past, worried about your past, and you are hoping for a change in your future, hoping for some kind of clarity, or you're just hoping that this person would come back to you. So, that is the reason for the sadness or stress, Capricorn. And maybe in your circumstance, this person is not what they seem to be. Maybe you love them, you trust this person, but their feelings towards you may be different. They are not like you, and maybe they look like someone friendly, someone reliable, but in truth, they may have some ambitions on their part. They are with you for a reason. They are in this, they were in this relationship for a reason. And maybe it would have been a fun thing to be with you, and they are not serious enough about this love, about this connection. And today, because of this lack of understanding, because of the way situation unfolded, though you are a good person, you are not able to build a meaningful relationship with this person you love. And things are not going to change for you, Capricorn, I feel. Maybe, however hard you try, you can just wish or hope that this person will understand your true love one day, but with these cards, it looks like they are not coming back. That is what I see with these cards, Capricorn. So let's see what is the guidance for you all today. Round and round. So maybe you would have felt that you have been in this situation before. Why this is happening again for you? So maybe this may be the time you need to respond to the situation in a different way. Instead of reacting, blaming this person for whatever has happened and regretting whatever you did. It may be some mistakes on your part, whatever it is. You need to change the way you handle this circumstance, change the way you do respond in this situation. If you do that, you are going to stop this cycle of going round and round. So you will not face a similar circumstance again. Maybe this person leaving you, or maybe you leaving them, unable to adjust and unable to find a balanced relationship. So you need to respond in a different way today. That is the energy here with this card, Capricorn. And that is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. Thank you, Capricorn. I will see you tomorrow. Bye, guys.